In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Charts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key chart, what it shows, and how to make quick comparisons and time frame changes so you can get answers faster. Start by heading to the top search bar. This is your quickest way to jump to any stock. Type in the ticker you're interested in, for example, AAPL, and confirm the correct result from the suggestions. Once you select it, you'll land on the company page, which brings together everything you need in one place. From here, stay on the overview page and scroll down. You're looking for the price/performance chart. It's typically placed prominently so you can access it without digging through menus. When you reach it, pause for a moment and let the full chart load to ensure you're seeing complete data. This chart is designed to give you a clean snapshot of the stock's behavior over time. It shows the historical stock price so you can visualize trends, pullbacks, and breakouts. You'll also see the percent change, which helps you quickly understand relative performance without doing manual math. And the chart includes volume, typically displayed as bars along the bottom, giving you a sense of how actively the stock traded on different days. Higher volume on big moves can signal stronger conviction behind a price change. Depending on your plan, you can review up to 5 to 10 years of price history. This longer view is great for identifying multi-year trends, seeing how the stock behaved during past market cycles, and putting short-term moves into context. If your plan supports it, make use of that extended history to avoid drawing conclusions from just a few months of data. You can also add another ticker to compare prices directly on the same chart. Use the compare option near the chart. Enter a second ticker, and watch how the lines move together or diverge. This is especially useful for benchmarking against an index or a close competitor. Just remember that comparisons are most meaningful when the companies are in similar industries or when you're measuring against a broad market proxy. Finally, switch timeframes to match your question. If you want a quick read on recent momentum, choose shorter windows like 1Y. For a broader strategic view, move out to 5Y or beyond. As you change timeframes, revisit the percent change in volume to see how the story evolves. That's it. Use the search bar, open the company page, scroll to the price/performance chart, read price, percent change, and volume, compare tickers when helpful, and switch timeframes to fit your analysis.